All right guys, Mr. Kevin Bowen is back in the house. This is an 8-month follow-up after his ARTAS Robotic FUE. Obviously this is before the procedure. This is the hairline marked out on procedure day. That's what the Sharpie line is. Obviously that is a temporary line where we've marked out the hairline on procedure day. And here he is, the man himself today, 8 months post-transplant. So a lot of the growth has come in. The growth started at about 4 months post-transplant. We're now 8 months after the procedure. Takes 12 months to grow in fully. And you can clearly see how these receded areas have filled in, and you can see from the top as well, just the coverage and how natural that looks. Now technically, we cannot put the hair back as close as what naturally occurs, so we're creating a visual illusion, and it's the artistry of the doctor and the team regarding that. This is the donor area where we took the hairs from. We took the genetically permanent follicles from. And one of the benefits of robotics is accuracy and reproducibility. It can do precise movements over and over again, so we're able to get the most follicles and preserve the donor area in the best possible way for that procedure approach. Of course, we do multi-unit hair grafting as well, but in this case, Kevin was really well suited to the ARTAS Robotic FUE. Again, looking at that tilt shot. Kevin, 8 months post-transplant. Yeah. We talked about it before. That day in November, I was at the Purdue game. We were messaging that night. How have the last sort of 8 months been? Talk us through it.
Yeah, it's really been a breeze. I don't know if that's the right word to use, but like at times I look in the mirror or whatever, getting out of the shower, getting ready, and I'm like, man, I totally forgot that that's what my hair now looks like, because, you know, frankly, I'm just used to these pictures, and, you know, you could probably land an airplane there on the old receding line, and now to see this, just absolutely blown away by it. And, you know, you continue to run into more people, you know, family and friends, and they obviously don't see you every day, so they really tell me, you know, how different it looks. And again, the process has been just so seamless for me. Really haven't had any issues whatsoever from a recovery standpoint or anything like that. So thank you to We Grow Hair Indy for all the help.
Obviously you're a public figure, right? And there's that public part of it. There's also the personal part of hair loss, right? Wanting to look and feel your best. So kind of outside of the public eye, getting up every day, looking in the mirror and sort of just feeling better about yourself, that's important too, right?
Yeah, without a doubt. You know, just a confidence level and just, you know, how it looks, and, you know, you feel like, you know, a little bit more indicative of your age, if you will. So yeah, all of those things, I think it checks that box. And, you know, it's interesting, the more that, you know, I've gone through it, more people reach out to you, and they want to hear more about, okay, what was it like? And I've thought about that as well. Tell me more about We Grow Hair Indy and all of that. So it's really cool to realize there's a lot of people out there that I think have similar thoughts to you, and obviously extremely pleased with how things have turned out here 8 months out.
Well, we appreciate you, appreciate all the help, and obviously the trust in our process. So, man, really appreciate you. Thank you.
Well, thank you. Thank you, the staff at We Grow Hair Indy.